Today, we will talk about fascinating psychology facts. Psychological studies can reveal facts about human thoughts and behavior that are pretty mind-blowing. Did you know, for example, that working at a messy desk can inspire people to be more creative and form new concepts? 1. Researchers have narrowed down the human personality to 5 basic traits. These traits, which are called the Big Five, are neuroticism, agreeableness, extroversion, openness to experience, and conscientiousness. 2. A 2019 study suggested that psychopathic men tend to receive a higher rating of attractiveness from women. Women were shown videos of men in dating situations for the study, some of whom possessed more psychopathic qualities. The women were then asked to rate the desirability of the men. And evolutionary psychological science reported that analyses involving comparisons of 2 men showed women's ratings increased in favor of the more psychopathic man. 3. Controlling our dreams is possible, and people can learn techniques to encourage having more dreams which may happen. These techniques can be used to produce more lucid dreams, in which the person who is sleeping recognizes that they are dreaming while a dream is taking place. Research conducted in 2020 revealed that people have the ability to take control of lucid dreams around 1/3 of the time. Reality testing and the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, MILD technique, are 2 examples of tools that can raise the chances of experiencing lucid dreams, according to researchers. 4. Falling in love consists of 3 distinct stages. Psychology Today reported in 2016 that researcher and Professor Helen Fisher had identified 3 phases of falling for someone: lust, attraction, and attachment. Lust relates to being physically interested in someone. Attraction consists of a period in which you feel consumed by thoughts of your partner. And lastly, attachment is the time when you have the desire to remain devoted to your significant other for the long haul. 5. Yawns are contagious, regardless of the yawner's position. Scientists have found that watching someone else yawn will likely lead to the viewer yawning as well. Even if we were to see someone yawning upside down or sideways, the likelihood that we would mirror their yawning remains the same. 6. About 95% of our purchasing choices are made subconsciously. Scientists have found that watching someone else yawn will likely lead to the viewer yawning as well. Even if we were to see someone yawning upside down or sideways, the likelihood that we would mirror their yawning remains the same. 7. Researchers have helped identify a trait that most people find attractive in potential partners. Compassion is the quality that proved to be appealing most frequently. In 2003, the American Psychological Association reported this based on a study of single college students, which showed that people are most likely to be attracted to those who they perceive as loving, supportive, and secure in their relationships. The key word here is perceive, as the study also found that someone's perception of romantic interest is more important than the qualities this person actually possesses, as they determine how interested they are in them. 8. Backup plans may not be all that beneficial in the grand scheme of things. 3 studies from 2014 showed that participants who were faced with the task of evaluating backup plans ended up falling short when pursuing their main objectives. In addition, these subjects were less interested in going after their central goals after having been exposed to backup plans. 9. Sarcasm can generate creative ideas. 3 studies from 2014 showed that participants who were faced with the task of evaluating backup plans ended up falling short when pursuing their main objectives. In addition, these subjects were less interested in going after their central goals after having been exposed to backup plans. 10. The average IQ of a serial killer isn't what you might think it is. In TV shows and movies, serial killers are often depicted as being highly intelligent, but in real life, this isn't always the case. The IQ test results from the majority of serial killers who have taken this assessment fall somewhere in the range between borderline and above average intelligence. This is comparable to the average IQ of the general population. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.